Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 18, and that name of the chapter 18 is the 16, garbage in garbage. 16, garbage in garbage in garbage out. I will take revision from the chapter 16, that is the garbage in garbage out. First we will discuss about some topics. What is the benefits of waste management? The benefits of the waste management by following 3 R's. That is the 3 R's. What is the 3 R's? 3 R's, that is the reduce, recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. These are the 3 R's. So first, what we can do, reduce the pollution of air, water and land, and conserve the natural resources and save energy required for producing newer products and provides a cleaner environment. So this is the benefits of the waste management, and we will discuss about keywords. Waste. What is the waste? Waste is anything which we throw away. And what is biodegradable waste? Biodegradable waste that can be broken down to simpler substances by microorganisms. Waste material that undergoes rotting is called the biodegradable waste. What is the non-biodegradable waste is? Waste material that cannot be broken down easily to take a very long time to rot. This is called the non-biodegradable matter. What is the recycling? Putting into new use unwanted things or waste material. What is the composting? Converting solid waste matter into manure by decomposition is called the composting. Waste which we produce daily is anything which is thrown away. And landfill is an area where the solid garbage from a city is dumped. To make compost, dig a pit. About how we can make compost, dig a pit about 3 feet deep in a cool shaded corner of the garden, and then put the kitchen wastes in the pit and cover it with a thin layer of soil so that air can enter the pit. And when you will observe the pit after 6 to 8 weeks, then you can see that kitchen wastes have rotted completely and it changes into the dark material, and the dark material is the manure, which is compost or manure. Earthworms are called the farmer's friend. What is the vermicomposting? Composting with the help of earthworm is called the vermicomposting. And time taken by waste material to decompose. Vegetable matter, it will take 3 to 4 weeks. Newspapers 4 weeks. Cloth bag 5 to 6 months. Wood pieces 10 to 15 years, aluminium cans 200 to 500 years, glass bottles 1 million years, plastic bags 1 million years. And what is the domestic wastes? Domestic wastes are the wastes produced from our household in our daily activities, and these includes the kitchen wastes. In kitchen wastes, vegetables, fruits and others, human excreta, garbage and plastic bags. So this is the revision of chapter 16, garbage in garbage out. It's time to take revision and you have to prepare for the annual exam well. And only chapter 13 is remaining, fun with magnets. For notes, only chapter 13 is remaining, and today I will upload and you can write from the study material. And this is you can download it from the study material and you have to write, and you will take revision properly.